Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy FX Dollar. So today I'll be showing you guys my trading ideas for the week. And currently, okay, I have setups in how many pairs? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. And out of that nine, it's only two that are A plus setups. Remaining six are A setups, and then the last one is a B setup, which in my prop firm I don't take the B setups. I only take the A and the A plus, guys. I have a strict grading systems which I use for grading my trades into the A plus, the A and the B. On my live account, I could actually take the B and reduce the risk. On prop firms, I don't take the B setup. I just take the A and A plus. So I'll start with the A plus setup. So the first setup would be GBP USD. Yes, this is a swing trade. So as you can see, let me try and shrink the trade a little and the chart a little. So you can see, my algorithm, my trading algo structure. This is it, sweep. You can see the clean sweep, right? And then the next thing we wait for is the break of structure. As you can see, it's clean break of structure, right? And the third thing we look for is our structural liquidity, and this is it. And then with the verification of your structural liquidity, which I think I showed that in my liquidity video part 2, how I verify my SLQ. So yes, and you can see, let me place my fib, place your fib from the peak to the break of structure, and then I think you can say that my SLQ is below the 50%, which is making it a valid SLQ, guys. And then the next thing is just set your entry, right? This is my entry as my point of interest. This week I'll be dropping a video on how to identify your points of interest, your POI, guys, so stay tuned. Then after getting my point of interest, your SL few pips below the peak, and then my TP. This trade will be a 1 to 3, I think. Yes, because I do 1 to 3 is when it's contained within the BOS, but if it's not contained between the BOS, I do a 1 to 2. So as you can see, the 1 to 3 is inside the BOS, so I'll do a 1 to 3 on this trade. So that's it. It's an A plus setup. That's the setup I have on GBP USD. Let me go to the 4 hours, so the daily, so you can see it more clearly. Okay, you will not be able to see the sweep yet in the 4 hours, but then this is the setup, guys. This is the entry, the SL, and then the TP price. The next A plus setup we have is on GBP USD JPY, guys. Yes, from the 1 hour time frame, and it's also an A plus setup, guys. An A plus setup. So the first thing, sweep right, pass out, and then our BOS. To reverse, then the BOS right here, guys. The next thing we look for is our SLQ, and then verify your SLQ with the fib, which I did, and then identify your POI, and this is it, an A plus setup on USD JPY for those who are interested. The next pair here are now A setups. Now this is a sell on Euro GBP, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame. So swiped and price swept the liquidity right here, and then reversed, giving us a break of structure right here. Next thing you identify SLQ, POI, entry, and then the sell. I'm doing a 1 to 2 because as you can see, the 1 to 2 is higher than the BOS level. So 1 to 2, and I'm out of this trade. An A setup on Euro GBP. The next setup is an NZD card. A setup, same thing, sweep, BOS, structural liquidity, and then 1 to 2, I'm out. You can copy that as well. Next pair, GBP CHF. Yes, GBP CHF. A setup. You can see it's clearly from the 1 hour. You can see the sweep and then the break of structure right here. As you can see here, your SLQ, your entry, and then the 1 to 2. The next pair on the list, the next pair on the list is GBP NZD, right? Yes, GBP NZD. Okay, yes. So you can see I already took two trades on GBP NZD, and so far it has been following my strategy. So now there's a third setup. So as you can see, the sweep, the break of structure, and then your SLQ, your three main components, and then you add other confluences. So these are the three main things: the sweep, the break of structure, and then find your SLQ. The next thing, identify your POI entry, and then so as you can see also, the BOS level is smaller than my 1 to 2. So that's why I'm just doing a 1 to 2 and I'm out, guys. Like I said before, this is an A setup. Yes, another A setup. You can say the sweep, right? The break of structure, and then price creating for us the SLQ right here. Our entry, and then we sell. GBP, CHF, JPY. Yes, this is a B setup. This is my only B setup, guys. Yeah, so it looks clean, but it's a B setup because one, price is bullish. You get, so selling when the price is bullish is risky to some point, and secondly, this is at an all-time high level where there is no history on the data. So from my confluences, this is a B setup to reports. You can see the sweep, and then the break of structure, and then the SLQs you created. So if I'm taking this trade, I will be risking half of what I normally risk. So my normal risk is 1%. If I'm to take a B setup, I risk 0.5 setup, 0.5%. And then if I'm to take an A plus setup, I risk 2%. 2% is my maximum risk. Yeah, so that is the setup on GPP JPY. When we go to the 4 hours, you see that it's at an all-time high, which you're not sure if this is where to start retracing for or if it will still go back higher. So there's no need putting your money behind something you can't, that you're not sure of. The next pair, okay, Euro USD. Yes, they set up on Euro USD, but I will not be taking this trade. I won't be taking this trade. Why? Most of you might ask, because let's go to the 4 hours. Let me explain this now. As you can see right here, price is bullish. These are the ranges we are working on right now. These are our when I taught you guys structure. This is our main structure. This is our swing structure. This is the range we are working with, right? So as you can see, price has retraced and taken out the last low. It has retraced deep. It has finished its retracement. It has retraced deep into the retracement area. So at this point, I'm very, very sure that price is going up to go and continue to break a structure and continue in its bullish trend. So even if this is an A setup, I will not be taking this. So that's it, guys. These are my setups for the week. So for those of you who are interested in taking trades, you can go ahead, or you can click on the link below this video and join my Telegram channel where I put live updates when I've entered the trade and if I've changed my mind on the trade setups or if there are extra trades during the week. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.